To reset the maintenance light on a 2018 Sienna, press the push to start button 2 times to go into accessory mode. Once you're in accessory mode, you're going to use the buttons on the steering wheel to navigate through the screens. To begin, you're going to backspace to get out of this screen. Then you're going to arrow to the right until you get to the gear icon. Then you're going to arrow all the way down to the settings option. Once you're in settings, you're going to arrow down until you get to the maintenance reset option. And then it'll ask you if you'd like to reset the maintenance reminder. You're going to arrow up to yes. And then the maintenance light has been reset.